Hey guys, as you're preparing for tomorrow's test on ecology and invasive species, I have a few tips for you. So, first of all, I have two quizzes that I've uploaded to Google Classroom. One is on ecology, where you talk about ecosystems, populations, and different types of species, and the other one is solely about invasive species, what they are, what causes them to grow, and how it affects the natural environment. So I highly recommend that you go through these two review materials to check if you guys are actually mastering the content before you actually take the test. I also suggest that you guys go ahead and read the materials that have been assigned to you and go over the guided notes that was given to you. So go over the materials given to you on Monday and Tuesday and Friday, Monday, and Tuesday. Just go over them and maybe even try to quiz yourself and see if you're able to answer these questions without relying on these material. Maybe ask your mom or your sister, or maybe even do it yourself and see if you're able to show that you have all the information you need and if you're comfortable with it. Just to review, just remember that population is a group of species that live together, and when different types of population come together, it forms a community, and when different communities come together, they form an ecosystem. Now, in any world, a population can only be so much. For example, what I mean when I say that is, for example, if you're talking about sheep, in a given ecosystem, there is a carrying capacity, which means that over a certain number, sheep cannot exist because of various factors, like maybe because of predators or because of lack of food resources and so on. So there are several factors that account for the fact that there's only a certain number of spots available for sheep to thrive. Let's say the carrying capacity for sheep is 1.6 million. So this means that after there are 1.6 million sheep in a given ecosystem, something or the other happens because of which that number remains stable. So it will not increase after that. That is the carrying capacity of the sheep in that given ecosystem. Do remember to go over that as well. And finally, about invasive species. If you remember, invasive species are species that are not native to a given area. They often invade an area. They often come from different parts of the world. In America, most of the invasive species come from Europe or Asia through aquatic transportation or water transportation. In most cases, it happens accidentally, but some people like the exotic plants and exotic animals, so they might bring them intentionally. And when they invade natural or a natural ecosystem or native ecosystem, they take away the food and they thrive. And that can actually be very detrimental to the native species that are surviving on that land or in that ecosystem. So go over these contents, and as long as you're comfortable, you're good to take the test. If you do not feel like you're comfortable and you need more time or you need some questions answered, please feel free to get in touch with me and I will get to you as soon as possible. Alright guys, good luck and I will see you later. Bye!